How to recover your hacked account on Facebook. In this tutorial, I'm going to guide you through a step-by-step detailed process on how you can recover your hacked Facebook account. So let's say if the hacker has access to both your email and password, I'm going to show you how you can recover it. So go ahead on your browser and search for chat Facebook support, and the first link, you want to open the link. It will direct you to the help center of Facebook. Now you don't see any choices right here on chat, so you just want to tap on the three dot at the top right, and it will open up these settings. You just want to go to managing your account and go to login and password. Now from here, just tap on fix a login problem, and here under your password help, you want to go to recover your Facebook account if you can't access your account email address or mobile number. Just go on this drop down and scroll down until you see this. First, try this link. You may be able to recover your account by visiting facebook.com/hacked. So if you can see this here, it will guide you through on how you can recover your account. So choose this option that says someone else got into my account without my permission and click on continue. And now it will direct you to secure your account. But if you want to recover it completely, you just have to scroll down here and go to find your account. You just want to come down here and tap on this finding your account. And here you will have to tap on this one that says let us know. Once you tap on it, you will be directed to this page where you have different kind of articles related to hacked accounts. And now here you have to tap on this drop down right here that says recover your Facebook account if you can't access your account email or password. And first you have to try this link. Just follow along what this says. And here you see different options. So you just tap on someone else got into my account without my permission. Tap on continue. Now it will ask you to secure your account. You just tap on it. Now it's most probably going to ask you to change your password, so it's checking every kind of information on your account, and then it will let you know what you have to do to make your account secure. Now after the app has finished checking on your account, it will suggest you possible options. So here you have options to change your password, review your email address, and select your name and country, date of birth, everything. So just you can type your current password right here and new password and retype your new password. This will change your password and you should be able to gain access to your account again. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you guys on the next one.